we divide 202 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these two, and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 2. So now there is no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20, and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 202 divided by 5 is 40 decimal 4. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.